Hello everyone, welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. I'm making some mini cinnamon roll apple pies. Let's do it. Okay, here are the 3 ingredients. This is simple. Let's make it. I'm going to start off with some salted butter to butter my trays. Now they're a bit stained because of the cups that I used a couple of weeks ago, so I tried my best to get it out, but that's okay. Okay, now I'm going to be using the apple filling in the can, but if you want to make yours, feel free. But this is a quick and easy recipe. If you're having people coming over for dinner or a party or something, you want to give everyone their individual pie, use this. They will love you for it. Okay, now I'm adding this to the pot in case it needs more sugar. But I just tested, it's good for me, so I'll just go ahead with the cinnamon. So if it's not sweet enough for you, just add a little bit more sugar and allow it to just simmer down a bit. Give this a good mixing. And now the crust. I'm using cinnamon rolls, Pillsbury mini cinnamon rolls. All right. Now this has the sauce already in it, the topping. So you can use this or make your own. Remember, this is supposed to be quick. Go ahead and use it. There are 8 in here. So I'll have to use another pan. Okay. Get ready. That's the cinnamon to the bottom, the brown stuff. That's cinnamon. Just place them in the pan and just open them up. Just like that. Now if you want to add extra cinnamon to the bottom, feel free. It's yours. You want to make these as good as, just work it. Your kids, your family, your guests, they will thank you. Now these are the other 2. I'm just adding them in the middle of this one. Now you're going to ask why. It's for easy handling. And I'm just going to fill up the empty compartments with water so that the pan wouldn't burn. So just go ahead and add the filling in just like this. Okay. These are going to be so good. So good. I'm going to allow them to bake in the oven. It is set at 350 degrees. And they're going to go until they are golden around the edge. This is the topping. I'm just transferring it to this bag along with a piping tip to put all over them as soon as I can get them out of this pan. So it only took about 15 minutes, 12-15 minutes, and they were ready. Just like that. They're golden, just like me. All right. This is quick and easy. I can only get this one out. Doesn't want to come out. Okay, gotcha. Oh, man. Okay, it is still intact. The rest... Okay, these are so good, quick and easy. Mini cinnamon roll apple pies. Oh my word. Now you can do this with any fruit. Go ahead and add the topping. The topping is optional because they are somewhat sweet enough for me and my house, but just add a little drizzle on each of them. Make them beautiful. Just like that. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Share it out. Leave a comment. God bless you. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next one.